Welcome and thanks for attending. My name is Aidman. We live in a visual world, and in order to get a jury riveted on your case, you need more than words. You need visuals. Can you imagine a case with vision injuries and walking over to the jury and handing them a pair of goggles like these and asking them to try them on? You can see with these goggles, this part of it is frosted up, and it shows a loss of visual acuity. If you've got a client who suffered a loss of visual acuity due to the negligence of another person, you now have a way of making the jury see through literally your client's eyes, and that is valuable. Here's another example of some goggles. This side shows an absolute total loss of vision, and this side is more blurry, and you see just some field of vision loss across here for a client who suffered a vision injury that is similar to this. And you can get these into evidence. You can get them cleared with the judge. You can authenticate them easily by asking your doctor at his deposition if these goggles accurately depict the client's loss of vision. And if he agrees that it does, you've authenticated your goggles. Now, I started working on proving injuries in vision injury cases such as these way back several years ago when a lady came to me who had been hit by a car and had flopped face first into the street and had suffered a devastating injury to her eye. And I was speaking to my wife, Ayala, about her case, and Ayala is an educator for the visually impaired, and she said to me, "Evan, I can really help you with these. I can make these goggles which will simulate your client's vision loss, and I can create a functional vision assessment which will tell the jury about how the person's daily life is affected." So I really focused with her on the goggles first and the vision assessment later, and we created a set of goggles for each juror. We never actually got to the jury because when we got to the settlement conference, we had one for the judge, we had one for the insurance rep who attended the settlement hearing, and we had one for the defense lawyer, and they each tried them on, and they kind of tried to hide their response to it, but you could see that it was very jarring to them. Both they were visually jarred by what they saw, but they were also psychologically jarred by what effect it would have on the jury. Needless to say, that case settled and for a very, very healthy sum. So this is something that you can do in your vision injury cases, and stay tuned for my next video wherein I'll talk about the functional vision assessment. Thank you.